very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank Stu Media for inviting us and giving us such a platform to enlighten you all people for our product portfolio and the technical parameters of the product. UP Twiga is a leading manufacturer of glass wool insulation in India, and we are operated in Indian industry since 1976, and we have a 40 years of track record for supplying for manufacturing and supplying glass wool for pan India market and Southeast Asian countries. For example, we are supplying to Hong Kong, Vietnam, and all other countries which are coming in Southeast Asian regions. We are the first company of insulation who has been certified Griha rating, and we are a founder member for Energy Conservation Building Code 2017 and 2007, who had contributed for the technical parameters for the insulation for various verticals in in construction industry. So if I would like to brief about the product, what the product is exactly. If you take an example of glass wool, so glass wool is made up of glass which is converted into fibers, and this is a material which is inorganic in nature and made up of sand and silica, which is purely non-combustible in nature. It means that ये जो material है इसमें कभी भी आग नहीं लग सकता, और आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एयर कंडीशनिंग एंड बिल्डिंग. So if I specifically talk about the verticals, application verticals, we are using this product for air conditioning application, for building application, and for transport application. In air conditioning application, we have different verticals. For example, duct thermal, duct acoustic lining, AHU room acoustic lining, and you can say DG room acoustic lining. And for building insulation, we are supplying this product for underdeck and partition wall application. So the best benefit of this product is, in a single product, you can get the benefit of thermal and the acoustic treatment both. So this is all about the company and the product portfolio. So once again, I would like to thank Stu Media and especially Mr. Pritipal for his commitment and dedication to make this success to make this event a grand success.